Si Lucille ang pinakamabait, pinaka-efficient sa lahat ng overseas offices namin. Si Lucille ang pinakamabait.
Kanina, all private sector workers. Lahat po ng companies na nagtatrabaho sa Pilipinas na private, they are mandated to report their employees and pay for the SS contributions of their employees. Compulsory po ito. Self-employed. Self-employed po naman yung mga engineers that own their own business, dentists, doctors po who have their own practices. So they are mandated to report as self-employed. And we fall under overseas Filipino workers na land-based in the same manner as self-employed and sea-based, yung pong mga seaman. And the next one is voluntary overseas Filipino. Dito po nagfo-fall ang majority ng ating mga kababayan dito sa Canada, who are immigrants, residents, or naturalized citizens abroad. So, ito po ay isa sa mga palaging na itatanong sa amin. Magiging Canadian citizen na ako. Ano ang mangyayari sa aking SSS membership? So, ito po nasasagot niya yung katanungan na kahit na naging Canadian citizen na, as long as SSS member, lahat po na benepisyo na pagiging SSS member matatamasa pa rin po ng isang Canadian citizen. Whether purely Canadian citizen or nag-dual. Kasi yung iba pong mga kababayan natin, tinatanong din nila, kailangan ba akong mag-dual para matamasa ko ang aking SSS membership? So, even purely Canadian citizen po, Filipino na naging Canadian, they can still get the benefits from SSS. Our next presentation is paano mag-register o kumuha ng SSS member. So, pinadali po ng SSS ang pagtanggap at pag-apply sa membership natin, no? So, online na po siya. Nandito po ang aming website, www.sss.gov.ph. At monthly pension for members unable to work due to old age. Ito po talaga yung ating pangarap na lahat po tayo ay maging eligible for retirement pension. We also offer disability benefit and death. Now, if you noticed, meron pong amounts na nakalagay na up to 72,000 pesos because we want to show you ano yung kagandahan na nagbabayad ng mataas na contributions. So, ito po yung mga benepisyo natin. You can see naman po kung ano yung mga kaakibat na benepisyo na pwedeng tanggapin. Next po is other privileges that we have: salary loan benefits, salary loan, calamity loan, and pension loan for our retiree pensioners and survivor pensioners po. Next is shift to digitization. So, not only during the pandemic, but before that pa po, the SSS has been shifting to digitization to all